Page 51, Ode to Joy. A very famous melody from a Beethoven symphony. They have a little paragraph about Beethoven up there. I suggest you Google him. He's a very famous and influential composer. Way long time ago, a couple hundred years ago. Top of the page, they also have some sight reading things. You're welcome to read through those if you want. I don't bother with them. The idea is to play all the notes. It's kind of hard to play them. They're all whole notes, but there's no time signature, so you just hold out each note as long as you want to, I guess. But notice the finger numbers. They want you to use the finger numbers, so you're moving around. So it's like the first one is fifth finger here, but the next one, the F, is here. So you're moving around each time. That's all right, whatever. So it's not one long line. There are four separate things. Now, this Ode to Joy, it says theme from Ninth Symphony. A theme, remember, is a melody or a part of a melody. Doesn't have to be the whole thing. And this melody is from the last movement in his symphony. I recommend you just go listen to the whole symphony. It's really pretty. And considering he was completely deaf when he wrote it, couldn't hear a thing, that's quite remarkable that he was able to do it at all. I'll go through the system. Let's see what we get here. We're using both hands, although that's just one hand at a time. I look it over. It's one line long. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. Time signature is still 4/4 time signature, and I see a bunch of quarter notes and half notes, mostly quarter notes. So the right hand is playing the first four measures, and the left hand is playing the last four measures. So we put both hands on the keyboard. At the beginning, the right hand is third finger here. That puts you in this position. And in measure 5, the left hand is third finger on this E. That puts you in this position. So we got both hands up here. And the reason you don't leave a hand off and then put it up as you need it, leave it up. Leave the hands on. Unless it's a real long stretch of music where one hand isn't playing, you might take it off. Otherwise, you leave both hands on the keyboard. So we're here. And it's just quarter notes, and I trust you know the names of these notes. If not, do the play and say it drill that we've been doing. Measure 5. It's the same thing pretty much, isn't it? Okay, it's not exactly the same, but it's close. So once I have the notes and the rhythms worked out, and then I go back over it slowly and carefully, and I get rid of any hesitations. Also, you need to be able to play this without looking at the keyboard. You want to feel what your fingers are doing. Now, they have the little boxes there to put in the name of the note. I trust you know the names of the notes. Now, once I have the notes and rhythms and I can play it with no hesitations, then I'll think about the dynamics. They only give one, and that's F, which is forte or loud. You decide what loud is. It's not super loud, it's just loud. And that's all the way across. It's the only dynamic they give you. As far as the speed goes, steady and strong. Well, that's not a speed. We're always going to be steady, I hope. The beat has to be a steady beat. And the loud's going to take care of the strong. So just play it kind of in the middle. Please don't copy me. You play it. You feel it. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exaggerate them if you need to. 1, 2. You feel these. Toward the bottom of the page, they have a closer look. Circle each landmark note. Remember the landmark notes they're talking about? You have one for each clef, the F clef and the G clef, so F and G, and then all the C's are landmark notes. So here in the upper staff, the G's are landmark because that's the G clef, that's the landmark. And then middle C is a landmark note, so you're going to circle those are those two. And the lower staff, we have the F's are landmark notes because of the F clef. And then the low C is a landmark note. So these are the landmark notes, and those are the notes you circle. Yeah, okay. I'll pretend you did that. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. The rhythms shouldn't be a problem. They're mostly quarter notes. But for the notes, I'll give us 4 counts. You should be playing the same note I'm playing when I play it. And we're not performing it now. We're just checking notes and rhythms. We're going to go slow. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4, off. There's a duet at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. We're going to speed it up a little bit. And again, I need you to go up an octave. So just pretend that middle C on the piano instead of here is up here. So instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.